Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to use the net working days function in Excel sheet. So what is net working days function? This is basically a function that is used in Excel to calculate the number of working days between two dates while excluding the weekends and optionally any days you specify as the holidays. By default, Excel considers the Saturday and Sunday as holidays, so it excludes all of the holidays and calculate the working days in a range of two dates. So this is my data. I want to use this date as the initial date and this one as a second date. So the syntax for this is equal sign and then followed by net working days, and first of all the first date and comma and the second date, and then close the bracket and press enter. So this is the number of working days between January 23rd, 2018 and January 23rd, 2019. I hope you like this video. If so, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in next video tutorial.